Hey, what is a better way to test a car navigation than to go on a road trip across the Europe? So we are doing just that today with the help of the Navitel E505 navigation. And the trip is from Lithuania to Croatia. About 1,600 or even 700 kilometers one way. So we left early, really early, like we hit the road at 6 in the morning, and the plan was to reach the Czech Republic by the end of the first day, 1,000 kilometers away, a quick nap, and hey, we did over 100 kilometers already, 300 left till the lunch in Warsaw, last petrol stop before crossing into the Poland. And the first problem with the navigation, it is just not very fast and responsive, especially when you want to put a new destination or an additional stop. But the good part is, you need to put the destination only once, and after that it's really just driving for hours.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Second exit?
So just like that, we arrived at the Polish border crossing.
In 300 meters, continue straight.
It seems navigation does the job well. I was surprised by Polish roads. Even road constructions were going on. We did not encounter any traffic jams yet. And we have reached the Warsaw, like really smooth. Half of today's drive is done. And it's time to party. And the party is over. And here's the first real traffic jam with the road construction. Pay attention to the navigation. We are going on a plain field now. It seems the road is so fresh, it's not even on a map yet. But it seems like everything around here is recently built. But still, we had decided first time to question the navigation. So we opened Google Maps on a phone. Turns out we are still on the best route and the navigation is doing a great job so far. But driving across Poland is like super boring. The only tourist attractions are churches and cemeteries. I'm not even kidding. All the app showed the whole way around our route was just churches and cemeteries. The good part, there were no more traffic jams or road constructions. It was surprising that we wasted less than 1 hour in a traffic jam driving across the whole Poland. You can add petrol station stops to the navigation route. Here I found and added a particular brand of petrol station we wanted just before the border crossing to the Czech Republic. And we have reached our super fancy station. Seems like it's only for trucks and super hardcore road travelers like us, but we still ask for help, how to fill our car. And a couple crazy hours later, we arrived home. Except this is not our home. It's still 60 kilometers away. But we chose a route to avoid toll roads, which work great across Poland. But we quickly realized it is not going to work in the Czech Republic with a route through totally medieval roads across some historical villages. So we have whipped all we had, Google Maps Waze and all available navigations, just to figure out the quickest way back to the toll highway. And we reached our home, but by that time I was so exhausted that this goes straight to the next morning. And I did not even film any videos the next day, because the first day got me well. But we still stopped in Vienna, went through Hungary, and finally reached Croatia. We did not waste any time in Croatia, the whole 10 days went super. And navigation? Well, it was surprisingly helpful. We saved so much phone data and battery using the navigation all day. And we just sometimes double checked it with Google Maps if we needed any online information on a phone. And I think having a navigation and a phone was the best combination. It was easier and faster to find stuff on Google Maps. But just for driving for hours, navigation was a better choice. And that concludes the video. Thanks for watching, hit that like button if you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.